2017 world famous Kenworth Tandem Axle Day Cab Tractor for you. Paccar horsepower under the hood at 455. Fuller 10-speed behind it for you. Let's take a quick walk around and see what we got going on. Looks like aluminum's up front. We got power divider in the rear, 40,000 pounds for you. Cab looks good. Back of the cab's a little dirty, otherwise okay. Nice toolbox for you. Take a little walk through the puddle. Tires look like they got a little life to them. Airbags holding air. Frame looks really clean on this truck. Aluminums looks like inner and outer on both sides. DEF on the frame rail. Big fuel tank for you. Air ride seat. Looks like a little crack in the windshield. Working AC on this one. All lights are good. Washer wiper sitting on. Blower, ABS okay. Check engine light is on. Bring your computer, bring your friend, bring whoever. Plug it in, find out what's going on. Again, 2017 Tandem Axle Kenworth T880 right here at Earth Trophy & Sons. Lots of good trucks coming in. Tanker trailers, box trailers, flatbed trailers, low boys. We got a whole bunch of stuff for you. Come on by and check it out. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this one does have a PTO on it. So come on by, give us a call, let us know what you're looking for. We'll help you out right here at Earth Trophy & Sons.